Welcome back to Muhammad Ashik Khan's video lecture series. Today I'm just wanted to discuss about a different topic on which relate to internal controls. Internal controls are various different categories of internal controls that's made up very easy to memorize and remember. I would like to discuss given mnemonic of internal controls. Let's see. Mnemonic for parts of internal controls. This is what I wanted to discuss now. This is part of our planned lecture series. If you see here, there are 8 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 different types of internal controls are there for all professional accountants and auditors to know. These are, in order to remember easily, that is being given a mnemonic in this basis. If you read vertically down, soap, spam, that have a full form here: segregation of duties, organizational controls, authorizational controls, personal controls, supervisory controls, physical controls, arithmetical controls, arithmetical and accounting controls actually, and management controls. Let's just try to understand the meanings of this in a very quick manner. Segregation of duties means every single control, every single process should be segregated to more than one person in order to ensure that a particular process is taken place in the robust manner. So you subdivide the process into minimum 2, 3 or 4 sections so that a minimum 2 or 3 people involved in completing the process. So that is segregation of duties. Organizational controls. An organization will have an efficient process only when it is properly organized in terms of their structure, in terms of delegation of authorities, in terms of span of controls, in terms of subordinates, and who will control whom, and how good the organization chart is developed, and so on. Normally, an organization chart looks like this. And then this is a very rough structure or sketch, but you will discuss in detail when time prevails. Next is authorizational controls. Every transaction there should be someone to authorize before the transaction takes place. So otherwise what would happen is that there could be possible fraud or error may infuse into the transaction. Therefore, it is always better that we should have an authorizational process inbuilt in every single transaction. Personal controls, meaning human resource. How you hire, how you recruit them, how you control them, how you monitor their attendance, monitor their performance, and what are the process and what are the policies and procedures involved in this process of personal, human resource related aspect. Then supervisory control. There should be someone to supervise every single process of someone is performing. So that also should be very well should be managed, where any process or any transaction, when someone is taking place, there should be someone to supervise, like a manager or senior supervisor, senior or director or someone. So every process must be supervised in the right way. Physical controls. For example, your assets. Some assets you should be physically locked and kept. Some you need to have an electronic supervision. Some you need security guards. And the access controls, electronic access, logical access, and all this, safety, security, how you protect your physical properties and assets. Then seventh one, arithmetical controls or arithmetical and accounting controls. Your calculations, when you prepare an invoice, the totals should be accurate, and also it tracing to the right balance, and reporting in the correct amounts. And at the end, finally, management control. These management controls are to have the better management of all different process covered in your organization. Accordingly, these are the 8 different sections of internal control, which will be useful in any of your professional accounting discussion. Thank you so much. I would discuss time to time. I will pick different types of discussion which I will share appropriately.